Tamron Super Performance, ultrasonic silent drive, vibration compensation. It has an E-band coating. The filter size is 95mm. So, great. Let's have a look in the box. There you got the lens. SP 150 to 600mm. This is for the Nikon. And it comes with a lens hood, which is quite big. In the box we also have paperwork. And a bit about all the parts, etc., what they do. So, there you go. Okay, let's have a look at the functions here. We have vibration mode 1, 2 and 3. If you're doing video you need to put it on 1. Number 2 is panning, and number 3 is vibration control at the moment of the photograph. And next to that you can turn the vibration control on or off, and obviously we have autofocus and then the distance limiter. It has a lock mode, which you can use when you're transporting or when you've got it zoomed out and you don't want it to slide and move out of position. The lens isn't particularly heavy. It has the tripod mount, which then makes balancing a lot easier. And some of the photographs I've taken on my first use, which is heron. That was quite close, but it's got in there a nice detail with my Nikon camera, and then this E-grip. So there you go, it does the job. Very good lens. Please subscribe.